Hey there, just a quick vid to show you how you can use one of these 12-volt freezers in place of ice blocks in some of my cold water air coolers. Nice cold radiator. A nice cold water. Awesome. Totally cool. Nice quiet fan. There's the pump in the water. Negative 4.5 Fahrenheit, negative 20 Celsius. Now let's check the water. 34 Fahrenheit on the water, 1.2 Celsius. That's perfect. Just above freezing. It'll always stay above freezing, by the way, even if the compartment's a little lower, because the pump's going to be in there moving the water around. So that warms it up just a little. And then once we get it going through here too. But that's perfect. Here's the 3 radiators I used. We started with the 405. Now let's move on to the 403. That's a 12-volt fan, by the way. Powerful. That's a Road Pro fan. Now let's move on to the 401. The hookup on any radiator is the same, just the vinyl tubing, the mini water pump, and the stand if you choose to use it. I'll post a link on how to build the stand in the description section below. And do this if you want to go full blast. That only took 1 minute to drop 10 degrees. Plus the wind chill factor feels like mid-60s sitting in front of this thing. Totally awesome. Here's the original setup with the ice block. You can of course run them this way too. Same rough output temps, 80 in, 60 out. Here's a few other options to chill the water. Some are stronger, some are weaker. Finally, if you have low humidity and you don't want to use ice or a compressor, you can make one of these DIY indirect evap air coolers. I got a vid on this, I'll post it in the description section below. But I started with 84 Fahrenheit on the tap water, got it down to 62 in 5 minutes. Awesome temp drop. These things are super strong as water chillers, especially when you have low humidity. Beautiful. You just drop this part inside and you get the cool, dry air. No ice needed. It'll easily handle one of these fans with the 2 405s on the back. Nice cool air coming out of here. It's working perfect. One last thing. This company actually makes a smaller radiator, power steering one. It's half the size of the 401. Fits a 120mm fan perfectly. This is in a bucket air cooler I made. Ice and ice cold water 2-stager. I'll post a link to this too.